About this philosophy, for me, is fundamental. Fundamental in your way of thinking. Fundamental if you in the process of working, of your process of studying, of your process of applying that to your client, if you understand what is the complexity, or if you think the world is complex, or the body is complex, and not complicated. For that, you need to know what the difference between the complexity and the complication. My question at the end of that is the body complex or complicated? Because you have no choice. If you think the body is in the paradigm of the complexity, you need to work with this paradigm. Paradigm. If you think it's in the body is in the paradigm of the complication, you need to work with the complication. What are the different characteristics of each of them? The complication, we said, is linear, and the complexity is interactive. For example, I can have a concept, because I want like an MD to treat the symptom, and I can have a concept linear. He has a back pain, I give to him a painkiller, and he has no pain. He has a pain of the knee, I give the same painkiller, he has no pain. It's a linear way of thinking. Why not? You come to see me because of pain, he has no pain, no problem for that. When you work differently, for example, you work with the interactivity. Why does he have a headache? He has a headache, perhaps because the calcaneus is totally out of order. That creates a rotation of the talus. That creates a mobilization, hypervalgus of the tibia. That creates a translation of the patella. That creates an internal rotation of the femoral bone. That creates an outflare of the ilium. Because you have an outflare of the ilium, the sacrum, you work on the oblique axis with a side bending. You have a rotation. And on the weakest point that you have of the spine, you have the contralateral rotation. You have a tension of the occipital bone, and he has a big tension of the dura mater and a headache. He has a headache. What do? I have two things. I work linear, I give to him a painkiller, or I test all and perhaps I begin to treat the calcaneus, the talus, the tibia, the femoral bone, the iliac, and so on, until that. You understand? All is interactive. Be careful about what I said. I don't say the MD is bad. He has an education to treat the symptom. He treats the symptoms, that's it. He's a good MD because you have no pain after. It's not his job to work all the time with the cause. The philosophy of that is not this way. Okay? The organization that you have in the paradigm of the complexity create a link, like the fascia, a link with all.